Come on, let's go now. Screen switch. It's cold. Woo! Lazy River. Hot tub agad ang hanap mo. Kakasimula pa lang. We can leave our stuff here. Yay! Okay, first stop, Lazy River. Lazy River, let's get a jacket. There. Get a jacket. Babe, we're going to the kids area over here. Yeah, oh, go, go, go. Yeah, this is the kids area. Oh, waiting pool. Sige! So namin kasi yung double tube. So, may requirement kasi sa height. So, kailangan pasok siya doon sa requirement. Kaya yung pink tsaka purple yung super super and the plunge. Pupuntahan namin. Right, sige! Always wear your life jacket. What do I do? Yeah. So guys, lalagay namin yung towel namin. Good thing ang konti lang ng tao ngayon. Kaya ang daming available ng mga chairs. So ilalagay namin dito. So ayan, lalagay lang namin dito guys yung towel. Ayun. Kung malabo yung mata nyo, much better may contact lens kayo kasi pinapatanggal yung shades. Eh yung shades ko, nandun yung prescription. Kaya nagpalit ako ng contact lens. Pero nahirapan ako sa contact lens guys eh. Ayun siya! Tapos bawal din yung hat. So tinanggal ko yung hat. So ayun, super soaker and the plants. Properly, sige ha. Dito kami sa super soaker. Always hold ah. Okay.
I feel like I don't want to.
What?
I feel like I don't want to.
Why? It's just the same wind.
What?
In West Edmonton Mall, it's just the same.
At what?
It's high. Actually, the West Edmonton Mall pool is higher. Are you taking this? I know it's the other one. You just wanna try this? Which one is scary? This one or this one? With him. This is scary.
That one, you just go around.
Oh,
This
okay.
one goes like this.
Oh, okay. Let's try this one first. Thank you. Because just go around. That's what they said. No, you will get cold. Come on. You have that cold. You will get cold. You want to go? Let me go with them. You want to go with them? Yeah.
You guys want to join us?
Alam niyo guys, medyo mahigpit dito kasi sa WEM, sa Edmonton Mall, ina-assist ka nila if sila na magsusoli ng floaty, na inflatable. Tapos pinatanggal pa yung prescription ko, di wala akong makita. Pinatanggal yung hat ko, pinatanggal pa yung prescription ko. So siguro kailangan namin ibalik yung nalang ko sa locker. Ito nga yung prescription ko, diba guys? Paano ako makakakita? Wait lang, kailangan ko mag-contact lens.
Buddy, step again, step again. You need this one? Okay, so anything under this. Okay, so you can step up now. You can Super Soaker, Plunge,
Okay.
Whirlwind, but
Whirlwinds here.
yeah, but Whirlwinds is a one-person tube.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and Whirlwinds, they're gonna require a life jacket. But
Even for adults?
Pardon?
Life jacket even for adults?
No.
Only for him.
Only for this.
So we want the with double holes, yeah, tubes.
Okay, so you can go to Super Soaker and Plunge. It's not like 2 holes, but it's just one big raft, and you can put it inside.
Okay.
And that's,
Super Soaker and the
right.
Plunge.
It's gonna be the pink and the purple one over there.
Okay, yeah, got it. All right.
And you guys can both sit in one too. And you might need a life jacket on, so just keep it on him.
Yeah, keep your jacket on. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's recording now. Hi. Maybe you will write on my back, babe. There. Hold your slippers. Oh, I'll sit down here.
Yes, sit. Yes, sit.
Oh, you should be in the front seat. Oh, come on, sit down. You know how to sit down? You can hold me. Okay.
Take off your hat.
Oh, really? Wait, but this is my eyeglasses, my prescription. Oh, okay. Bawal na ka sa lamig, guys. Woo! Woo! Sige! Sige! Sige na! Woo! Oh my God! Sige, pa.
Hi, I can rotate you if you want.
Stop. Wait lang. It's from the heart. Lamig, guys. Sige. Dinigin naman ang sige, guys. Kasi ang lamig. Sige, ikot-ikot tayo. One. Say hi, guys. Happy birthday. From the heart. Most night, you know I'll never go. That's why I know. Let's take a moment. Sobrang lamig na lamig si Siki, kaya nilalagay niya yung kamay niya sa loob. Bawal yung bata dyan sa black hole. Ito yung favorite ni Siki sa lahat. Lazy River. Basta may yung mga pool, nakita niya may lazy river. Ay, nagtatagal talaga siya dyan. Bet na bet niya yung umiikot na tubig, tas nagsuswim siya. Pero that time, hindi pa siya marunong mag-swim sa lazy river. Nagpunta kami dito guys bandang August 2023 and that time makulimlim, medyo umaambon. Kaya medyo malamig din yung hangin. Hindi siya tamang timing para mag-swimming pero nag-swimming pa rin kami kasi nga binayaran na namin yan. Tiyagaan lang sa lamig ng tubig. So guys, kung makikita nyo, merong mga rides, diba? Kasi sa loob mismo ng Canada's Wonderland, nandyan yung water park. So, kasama na yan doon sa entrance na binayaran namin. Package na siya. As in, nasa bandang likod lang siya ng Canada's Wonderland or yung sa mga pwesto ng rides. Pagpasok nyo ng Canada's Wonderland, makikita nyo na agad yung mga rides. Tapos, papasok pa kayo sa dulo para makarating dyan sa water park.